In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a Figma file directly in your browser without installing any software. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Figma. If you already have an account, sign in using your email and password. If not, create a free account to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Figma dashboard where all your files and projects are stored. To open an existing file, browse through your recent files or click on a project from the sidebar to view all files inside it. If you're looking for a specific file, use the search bar at the top of the dashboard and enter the file name or a keyword related to it. When you find the file you want, simply click on it. The file will open directly in your browser, allowing you to view, edit, or collaborate depending on your permissions. If someone shared a Figma file with you, open the shared link in your browser and sign in if prompted. The file will load automatically once you have access. You can also open community templates by browsing the Figma community section and selecting any template you want to explore or duplicate. After the file loads, you can start designing, reviewing, commenting, or sharing the project with others. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Figma file in your browser and are ready to start working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.